Authentic Japanese flavors for just $3.95 per Teishoku? Aba, yes please! We just found our newest go-to spot for our family's Japanese cravings. Ang ganda ng place, affordable at masarap ang food. Dito lang yan sa Watami Casual Japanese Restaurant by the Bistro Group. Ang peaceful ng place, cozy ng ambience, perfect for family lunch or dinner. All for $3.95, favorite ko tong Katsutozi Teishoku that comes with Japanese rice, soup, salad, fruit, and side dishes. Sobrang tender niyan and flavorful. For an additional 55 pesos lang, naging favorite naman ng daughter ko itong udon teishoku na light ang broth, fat noodles, and enjoyable talagang islurp. May kasama na tong chicken karage that's so crispy, yet sobrang juicy sa loob. Kung pupunta kayo, don't miss out on their beverages too. Sobrang refreshing nitong apple berry bliss nila. Another highlight is their matcha cheesecake. Ang sarap, babalikan ko talaga to. Hindi nakakaumay at di gaanong matamis. Perfect for matcha lovers. O diba, ang sulit ng lunch namin. Ang daming options at reasonable lahat ng prices. Flash ko na lang din lahat ng branches nila para makapunta ka. Yun lang. Thank you. Bye!